Hello everyone, welcome to our CNC machining video sharing today. Compared to traditional milling technology, CNC machining has several advantages, including higher accuracy and lower cost, allowing for rapid production of CNC parts. Processing accuracy. The first benefit of using CNC machining is to create mechanical parts that ensure the accuracy of CNC parts. However, if human error occurs, it may be seen as the inability to pursue accurate strategies. It may cause application component failures. But using pre-programmed software for CNC machining can eliminate human errors. When you make extensive copies of processed parts, it ensures the accuracy of all CNC parts. This accuracy is crucial for applications that require strict tolerances and precise dimensions, such as in the aerospace, medical, and automotive industries. CNC machining reduces production costs. Another benefit of CNC machining is that it can reduce production costs in many ways. What is the cost of CNC machining? It improves production and assembly efficiency as well as scalability without wasting materials. They are: firstly, mechanical processing automation reduces labor costs by eliminating manual work. Secondly, CNC machine reduces rework, waste and material waste. CNC machine tools run faster than traditional machining processes, saving time and effort. Rapid prototyping. CNC machining for rapid prototyping allows you to quickly apply automated machinery for design, engineering models, and high-quality end-use components. 1. Speed. CNC machine tools may create parts faster than 3D printers, but before starting the machine, initial programming of CNC parts is required to establish tool parts. Therefore, unless the geometric shape is highly complex, CNC machining is a feasible choice for prototyping. 2. Accuracy. CNC machine tools can produce products with higher dimensional accuracy of 0.25 megameters. Therefore, CNC machining can manufacture components with precise dimensions and minimal process changes. 3. Material selection. CNC machine tools can handle different types of alloys and plastics. 4. Easy to modify. Modifying product design using CNC machining only takes a few minutes. Higher production efficiency. Only users can stop the CNC machine after the operator inputs design parameters into the machine. Once CNC machine tools start operating, they can quickly prepare many components. CNC machine tools provide a wide range of scalability. CNC milling is a multifunctional production process that allows machine tool workshop to flexibly batch number or customize models. CNC machine tools do not need to prioritize production operations based on the number of components, allowing you to better utilize time, money, and other resources. In addition, CNC machine tools provide fast output, making it easier to meet demanding orders. They work continuously to provide reliable data for enterprises. It is an asset for industrial production and efficiency. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this content, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments.